Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be simplifying the integer exponent problem, 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 3. Follow along as we break down the steps to solve this problem. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin simplifying the integer exponent problem, 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 3, let's first break down each part of the expression separately. Here we have 2 raised to the power of 2. This means multiplying 2 by itself, so this becomes 2 times 2, which simplifies to 4. Next, we have 2 raised to the power of 3. This means multiplying 2 by itself 3 times. So this becomes 2 times 2 times 2, which simplifies to 8. Now we combine our results. We add the results from each part of the expression. This means 4 plus 8. Therefore, the expression 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 simplifies to 4 plus 8. Step 2. To move forward, we need to continue simplifying our expression by adding the results from each part. We previously determined that 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4, and 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. Now we focus on the addition part of our problem. We need to add 4 to 8. This involves basic arithmetic, where we combine the numbers. When we add 4 to 8, we get 12. Therefore, the final simplified expression of 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 is 12. This step concludes our problem-solving process, as we have simplified the original expression to its final form. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.